My name's Casper Jones. I handcraft skateboards for Life Skateboards, and you're watching Days with Casper. This is a series called Life Takes Shape, where I'm going to show you a shape we make here at Life Skateboards, and then take you through the steps I'm responsible for before we throw some graphics on them. There are a lot of shapes and options here at Life Skateboards, so when you're done with this video, head over to lifeskateboard.com and check us out. And don't forget to subscribe. You can catch me doing this work live and ask any questions you've got for me. If you catch those lives, you'll see the rest of the process, like gluing, pressing, cutting, and even graphic applications. For this series, we're going to focus on shaping. I hope you enjoy Life Takes Shape. Today on Life Takes Shape, we've got the Big Stinger from Life Skateboards. This has a length of 33, width of 10.125, a 5.75 inch nose, a 6.8 inch tail, and a 16.5 inch wheelbase. But you can get whatever wheelbase you want. After you watch this video, just go to lifeskateboard.com, get yourself a life. I'm going to shut up and shape this. Stinger from Life Skateboards is ready for graphics. Head over to lifeskateboard.com and get yourself a life. Looks like I messed up the filming a little bit on that one too, so hopefully I didn't miss too much of the process, but go ahead and subscribe for me so you can catch me working live and see the whole process sometime. And stay tuned for more Life Take Shape.